Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing amazing. Today I'm sharing my everything shower routine which I do weekly. This will include everything starting from body care, hair, skin. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm gonna start my routine with massaging my scalp and then moving on to oiling, of course. So for massaging, I'm gonna use this white tooth wooden comb and I'm gonna massage my scalp with this one and also comb my entire hair. This does not damage my hair at all and makes me feel so relaxed and calm. I follow it up with this normal wooden hairbrush comb. For my hair oil, I'm going to use this mixture of a few drops of rosemary oil along with almond oil. You can use any almond oil of your choice. I honestly don't remember which one I had bought. I just mixed both of them into this container and I'm just massaging it to my scalp, and whatever is left on my hand, I'm just applying it to the lens. I don't apply hair oil directly to the lens, just whatever is left, I just massage it on, and then I'm gonna leave it on for around 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes. I'm just going to put a clutch and yeah, and wait for it to absorb. Now, stepping into the shower, I stand under the water for at least a minute or two and let my hair get really wet. I'm using this L'Oreal Hyaluron Moisture Shampoo. I love the smell of this and I love how well it lathers. It is very gentle yet cleanses really deeply. It hydrates my hair really well. I love the hyaluronic acid in it, so it really maintains long term moisture. I double cleanse my scalp. This makes my scalp and my hair squeaky clean and it keeps it grease free for like 3 days minimum. I massage it really well and yeah, I then wash it off and I follow it up with the conditioner from the same range. Now I'm making sure to remove all the water from my hair. I squeeze my hair and remove all the water, and then I apply my conditioner. I use the same L'Oreal Hyaluron conditioner. The best part about this conditioner is that it does not weigh my hair down at all. It also smells amazing and keeps my hair really hydrated for quite some time. I apply it on the length of my hair and put it on for 3 to 5 minutes. I start off my body care with this Dove exfoliating body polish. It makes my body so smooth. I just transferred it to a small bowl so it's convenient for me to store. It smells like heaven and it really helps with strawberry skin. I follow it up with the Pez body wash. It is the OG. We all know it. I love how it smells. It is so gentle and so effective in cleaning your body. I am foaming it up and getting it ready to shave. I'm using the Venus razor and I'm just shaving on the direction of hair growth. This prevents ingrown hair or strawberry skin, and I really like the finish of this. This makes my skin so smooth and helps, all the after shower products absorb really well. I do this once a week, and yeah, I am good to go. Now I'm washing off the conditioner and washing off the body wash, and yeah, just enjoying my shower. I make sure that everything is gone really well, and then I just, put my hair into this towel. This is a classic Bengali, you know, hair towel, and I wrap it around while I do my post shower routine. For my post shower, I start off with the Vaseline Coco Glow body lotion. I love how it smells, firstly, and secondly, it's so thick. It hydrates my body for like 2 days minimum, I would say, and I am just obsessed with its fragrance. Next, I apply my hair serum. I use the L'Oreal Extraordinary Hair Serum. I know they have changed the formula, but I absolutely love it. I feel like it's even better now. It also has heat protection, which is amazing. It smells great and detangles my hair really easily. I follow it up with combing my hair with the same, wooden comb that I used earlier while hair oiling. Now, time for skincare. Now, before I start my skincare, I always make sure to wash my hands with soap and water, and then I start off with this foxtail. face wash. This is very hydrating, has a creamy formula, and it also removes makeup effectively if you are thinking of using it as a makeup remover. I love how smooth it makes my skin. It does not dry out my skin at all, which is the best part. I love how baby soft my skin feels even after washing. Now I'm applying the simple soothing facial toner. It is so watery, amazing for my oily skin, and it relaxes my skin so well. I follow it up with the Asaya Advanced Pigmentation Serum. I love the texture. It is not heavy yet not watery, and it's working really well for my pigmentation. And I follow it up with my absolute favorite moisturizer. I seal everything with this one. It is filled with ceramides. It is the Formula RX Barrier Repair Moisturizer. And if you have oily skin or acne prone skin or sensitive skin, you have to give it a try. I massage it well to my skin. It makes my skin feel so glowy, yet it's not sticky or greasy at all. It is my favorite moisturizer, so underrated, but so worth it. I finish it off with my absolute favorite lip mask. This is also very underrated, by the way. It's from Foxtail. It smells amazing, and just look at the glow. Look at it. No shower routine is finished without a perfume, and I'm using this perfume from Bella Vita. It is a white oud and it smells so fresh, perfect after and everything shower. And that's it for this video. I tried something like this for the very first time. I hope you all liked it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.